Hello, my name is Michael with the I Love Computer Center, and today we're taking a look at the MIT App Inventor in beta stages. It took me a little bit of digging to actually find it. Google still has a lot of the old code or the old website address in its database. So when I clicked on it, I'd get the 404 error. And actually, after sifting through a bunch of garbage, I actually found the right link. And I did upload it to, or I added the link to our blog at forevertablet.com. So if you want to take a look at that, it's right there. And the blog I wrote didn't really do this program justice. That's why I decided to make the video. This is the third, I believe. The third tutorial is called Mole Mash. You make a little game where it's kind of like you bang on the mole's heads, a pop-up. It's something similar, except it generates and it moves every half a second to random locations all over the screen. Every time you hit them, your score goes up, and then if you're bored with it, you just hit the reset, resets the score to 0. It's a very well written tutorial, and it's fairly easy to do. Cool thing about the MIT App Inventor, it uses your Google login, and it saves your projects for you, so you can go back and load them up and do all kinds of different things, like the paint pot. This is where you just push any one of these buttons that changes the color, and you can draw all over that, make big dots, small dots, wipe it clean, and continue to do it. And the Mole Mash one actually had quite a bit to it. Like the Open Blocks editor is essentially the coding of it, and it uses Java to run. So once the screen pops up, you just hit OK. Okay, this is the blocks editor. Essentially, this is the coding part of the app that you just made with the tutorial. Essentially, it's like a bunch of puzzle pieces that you put together, and each puzzle piece does a certain function. Like the toMole move is you set it X and Y coordinates on your screen. It's a random fraction times my canvas width minus the mole width. So it randomly generates where the mole's going to move. Your score is set to 0 as a defining thing. With the reset click, set global score, which is this guy here, to 0. So whenever you hit the reset button, it updates the score to 0. It's fairly cut and dried of what all it can do. And there's all kinds of different things that are built in. My blocks appear according to what you have on your screen, on your display. Like all of this is generated from this here. Anything time I drag something from here over, it automatically adds it to my blocks. And there's just a bunch of different random things in here that you can play with and add to. I still have a lot to learn. This is like the third one I've gone through. The next one I'm going to be doing is the trivia question program. One of the coolest features I like about the App Inventor is that when it connects to the Acer, I think I closed it already, didn't I? I'll show you. I'll have to resize it. I'll just leave it. When it connects to my tablet, it shows up in here in the connect to device. Now right now my device is not plugged into USB, but it'll show up here, and all I do is click that button, and it will connect everything I'm doing here directly to the tablet or your smartphone, and you can actually see the changes you're making on the screen here live instantaneously on your device. It's really neat because then you can actually see what your product's going to look like on your tablet or phone right from the screen. So far it's got a lot of really fun features, and I'm really looking forward to getting into it. And I found that they have an App Inventor tutorial here on YouTube. So if you want to look that up, it's easy. Just do MIT App Inventor tutorial in the search bar, and you'll come up to it. And they've got a lot of good tutorials over there for building your apps. In fact, I might just go ahead and add it to the link in the description below. But that's just a quick look at this really awesome App Inventor program for making your own apps. And I hope I was informative. You can find out any of this information and more at forevertablet.com, and that link will be in the description below too. So thank you for watching, and hope you have a good day.